Welcome. The following Unity Living Open Heart Affirmations, the fifth in this series, will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally, so you may receive the profound benefits of this particular transmission by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, either aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I fully accept the balancing properties and energies of the Open Heart Transmission, and invite them to activate now within my divine sacred heart with profound gratitude and love. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I acknowledge my divine sacred heart as it reveals its masculine active or doing and feminine passive or receiving aspects to me. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I release any layers of deep-seated, conscious, unconscious, or subconscious aspects of control that I may currently hold that are available to be released now. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I acknowledge the state of my divine heart's giving and receiving sides. The giving side being found in the front of my chest, and the receiving side in my back, and invite the balancing and healing aspects of these sides to activate fully now. I align my divine sacred heart to connect with all and everything, while ensuring the energy is grounded and anchored in my physical body. As above, so below. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. As I open my heart to receive, I release any fear of rejection or vulnerability. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. With every in-breath and out-breath, I express my gratitude for the ongoing healing and grounding of my sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. I trust my higher self to keep me safe and to activate either my rest and digest or fight and flight mode, whichever is called for in each moment. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I embrace the heart balancing and healing energies. I am receiving. I am grateful for the new balance. I am experiencing between my human and divine qualities, and for my profoundly fulfilling connection with others, with great love and gratitude. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, I don't like, as the universe hears, I like, and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, I want. It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting, and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.